Xerjoff Naxos. The record spins, and instantly that rock-steady rhythm slides into the room. Easy, confident, timeless. Cornell Campbell's voice rides over the warm crackle of vinyl like aged honey poured over oak, carrying that sweet defiance of someone who's seen life, learned its tempo, and still moves with purpose. Then comes Naxos, a fragrance that opens like a sunbeam through smoke. Notes of honey, tobacco, cinnamon, bergamot, and vanilla begin to curl through the air, blending with the music's pulse. It's soulful but strong, just like the track, an aromatic echo of rebellion wrapped in refinement. As Campbell sings, "I'm a soul rebel," you can almost smell the grit of freedom. The smoky tobacco feels like the echo of Kingston streets after rain, while the lavender and citrus keep it open, radiant, unbothered. There's a golden sweetness to Naxos that softens the edges, the way the music's rhythm soothes, even as it calls you to rise. This is a pairing about independence and identity. The record says, "I won't be defined." The fragrance answers, "I'll do it with style."
Soul rebel, let them talk. I'm a capturer, soul adventurer. I'm a rebel, rebel in the morning. Soul rebel, rebel in the evening. I'm a capturer. Soul